one of the greatest things about UnityPoint Peosta is not only are we family medicine, but we're also a walk-in component. So not only can people come here to establish care and have the provider here, myself, for family medicine, we're also here for acute care visits as well. So you can come here if you have an ear infection, UTI, or anything else like that for acute visits. We're right off of Highway 20, so we have patients that come not only from Dubuque, but from the rural areas. So you don't have to drive into Dubuque, you can come here instead. And if you come in for like an annual physical exam, you'll come in, the nurses will ask you several different questions. They will check your vitals, and then the provider will come in, we'll do a head-to-toe exam, also ask more questions just about your family history, your surgical history, your medical history, medications you're on, allergies, that type of thing. A lot of times, depending on age, we may do some lab work and some preventative testing. It's always great to have somebody who knows you as a whole. If you just go to urgent care, ERs, they only know basic little things about you. It's great to have someone who knows everything that's going on about you, and they can help you not only with when you're sick, but also preventative care. So make sure your blood pressure is always controlled, and make sure you're not diabetic, all those type of things. So we have labs, we draw them here, and then we send them to our lab at Finley Hospital, and they'll run them there. And then we also have x-ray capability here as well. So if you're not feeling well, who wants to drive somewhere else to get their antibiotics if they need that type of thing, they can just walk right next door. The staff over there are amazing, and they'll already have their script ready, and then they can be on their way to go home. Your primary care provider you should see for preventative medicine, physicals, medication refills, anxiety, depression, sinus infections, flu symptoms. So when people come to this clinic, I think they can expect to have efficient and up-to-date care.